Hello friends, welcome back to channel. We were working on LVM. Today we are having one situation where we are having one entry in our file system which is UUID, but you see it is not mounted in the system. UUID is not there, and if mount-a command I am running, it is giving an error. So it's giving an error, cannot find UUID, and we are unable to trace. Let's see what's the detail we are getting. So all PVRs in good, VGS is also in good space, but when we are doing LVS, we are able to see this is not active. And if we check LSBLK backup test 2, these are there, part of VM. Okay, these two VGs are there. On the 2 VG we are having LV. As VG is okay, so only LV is having problem. According to this, we can say LV is not active. So to make it active, what we have to do? lvchange -a yes /dev VG backup and LV_backup. Okay, now we'll do LVS. Okay, you're able to see is active and operative. Now if I run mount-a command, it will get mounted. df-h, see, where you got mounted. Now we'll reverse the situation. We are going to shut down the server. We don't want this to get mounted again, so we are having two things. We'll remove from the fs tab, it will won't. Else there's second thing, I don't want to use it again. So what we'll do, we will make it inactive. So to make it inactive, we have to first unmount. Otherwise, if you do a active no, it will say it is already in use. So umount /UUID. Now if I it got deactivated. See, attributes are gone, and if I run mount-a, it's giving an error. It is unable to find this UID. So you will feel this, you will get this error, or might be you have already gone through to this problem where you have rebooted system and system is not coming up and it's showing unable to find the LV. Okay, it is showing UID because we have mounted in a way. In that case, you have to bring that system in single user mode, check the fs tab entry, check LV is active or not. If LV is not active, make it active, mount it, it will work. So that's all for today's video. So we have discussed how to make active LV or how to make a deactive LV. VG-change -a active no, and then the LV name, and LV-change -active yes, then VG name and LV name. So that's how it works. But to make it inactive, or if you want to deactivate it, first you have to unmount it. That's all for today's video. Keep practicing. See you in the next video. Bye bye.